This video is about how to create a listing on reCommodity. So first of all, we go on My Listings, then click on Plus Listing, then select your commodity that you want to list. You can either scroll down or just search for the commodity. For example, I'm taking coffee. And if you can't find the commodity that you want to list, then click on Contact Us and choose Topic, Add Commodity, and in Message write the commodity name. After that, select the specifications of the product, like in coffee, Arabica coffee I'm choosing, and if the specification that you want is not showing, then click on New Specification and write the specification that you want to add. Our AI will check if the specification you added is for that commodity or not. After that, you can add it. Next is origin. Change the origin if the product is other than your company's origin. Next is contract time. Select contract time for the deal. You can also choose multiple options here. Payment terms. Select payment terms that you like to accept. Shipping terms. Select shipping terms you could offer. Quantity type, select quantity type, and then select quantity range in which you are willing to export. Choose images of the product you want to show with the listing. In other info, write detailed information of the listing that you want to show to matches, like packing type, origin, breed, etc. Destinations, choose the countries where you can export the products. You can choose the all destinations of a continent in just one click. And after selecting the destination, save listing. And now your listing is created. Thank you for watching.